Alright, so how do you test if something is a function? Well, we do something called the vertical line test, VLT. If it passes the vertical line test, then yes, it is a function. If it's a function, then we can ask this next question. Can I take the inverse of that function? Well, the test, if I can take the inverse of that function, we use the horizontal line test, HLT. If it passes the horizontal line test, then you can take the inverse. When you take the inverse, it basically means it's 1, 2, 1. But if it's not a function, it fails the vertical line test, then you cannot go on to take the inverse. It just stops right there. It's not a function. Now, sometimes it can be a function, and then it fails the horizontal line test, and you can't take the inverse. Let me give you a couple examples of these. Alright, so let's look at this one. Let's see if it passes the vertical line test. Class, right here, does it pass or fail?
Passes.
Here?
Pass.
So is it a function?
Pass.
It's a function. Let's do the horizontal line test now. Pass or fail? Why does it fail?
Because there's 2 points at it.
Yeah, it goes through 2 points here, so it is a function, but you cannot take the inverse. Let's try this one. Class, is this a function?
Yes.
Horizontal line test. Pass or fail?
Yeah.
Right, it's touching there multiple times. So, although it is a function, I cannot take the inverse. Pass or fail?
Yeah.
Class, should I ask the question
No.
the inverse? No, right? It just stops right there. Let's do one more example. Let's put it down here. Can I fit it? Can I fit it? Let's try to fit it here. Class, is this a function?
Yes.
Function. How about horizontal line test?
Yes.
Passes, right? So this is an example of a function in which we can actually take the inverse of.